Hi, this is Nate McGee with Microquant, bringing you the value charts video of the day for Wednesday, August 14th, 2013. What I want to bring to your attention today is an interesting little strategy that can be used to kind of guide entry points a little bit. What I have pulled up right here is a 100 tick for the pound US dollar here. And you can see we have our usual indicators on here. We haven't really changed much from our trading room. We have our MQ trend and regression right here with our two exponential moving averages. But I was noticing that there was this interesting thing where we could put some trend lines across these momentum indicator lines. And I'll show you what I mean. Whenever you have an indicator line above the 25 line right in here, it's quite overextended and usually it heads back down. So as you can see, when it's up here, you can see how it pulls back down. But if you have a really sharp point on your indicator line and you start seeing the indicator line move down the opposite direction, you can somewhat plan getting in or out of a trade. So I'll show you, for example, if we pull a trend line, say right over here, right across these two highs, you see right in there it pulled way back down. Then over here you can see how prices, when it came down, it shot way up here and it did a sharp curve back. That was right your entry point to get short again possibly. And you can see even over here now that almost used the trend line again as an area of support where it bounces off of. And if you ever see price somewhat struggling to move up or down a little bit, sometimes you can even take a trend line here, like say right in this area. You can see that struggling right there, so you could possibly take a short there. You kind of have to play with it a little bit. You kind of have to move around a little bit in different time frames when you look at the actual like 5-minute or 30-minute charts to see kind of what's going on here. But obviously you want to kind of go with the trend here. So when you have your MQ trend and regression both down, you're trying to find an entry point here. You want to go with it, not necessarily a counter trend. It wouldn't be used as a major indicator here. Just it can sometimes be used as a guiding point. It's not just that could be observed. If you see sharp turns on the indicator line, the angle that it's going could help you determine the best way to get into it. If it's kind of slow and flat, might not be the best opportunity, but if it's steep like this is right here, this could be an opportunity to take a short. So that's something you want to look at, maybe potentially, to see if it could help you out. You can also use, obviously, the EMA crossovers. These are still, the pink one, which is the 8, is still below the 21 EMA, so we are still in downtrend. And of course, regressions and MQ trend are green. So we can be safe to take a short here, putting the stop maybe right above this high right in here. Something you can play around with. Hopefully it helps you out a little bit. I'll keep working on it to see if it actually does prove to be beneficial. That's it from me. Be sure to check out our webinar coming up on the 20th of August at 8:30. It'll be all about this introduction to the Forex market. For anyone who's new or wants to learn about the Forex market, be sure to check that out. I'll be hosting it, and I hope to see you there. Bye. Never miss another value charts trade. Go ahead and subscribe to this YouTube channel to see more video of the day and trade of the day videos. Again, this is Nate McGee reminding you to trade smarter, not harder, and as always, trade with confidence.